This section is going to be about steeping the grains. Within the recipe guide, it's pretty much the first step. Okay, first I've added the water into the brew kettle, and I brought it up to 150 degrees, and I'm going to steep the grains. So here we go. Now in our equipment kit, you'll actually get a nylon, which you can just rinse out and use over and over and over. I'm lazy today, so I'm going to use a disposable grain bag today because I'm lazy. We'll cut this guy open. And gonna get the grains into the bag if I can pull this off without letting them fly all over the parking lot. Dump them into the bag. Get a face full of them because of the wind. There we go. Alright, now we just let the grains go into the water. We're beginning the steeping process now. You want to go ahead and make sure they get good and saturated. So just kind of work them around in the water like a giant thing of tea. You can see it already imparting a lot of color into the water, and now it's beginning to smell like beer. I want to try to hold the temperature right at about 150 degrees. So the thermal shock of the grains going into the water brought the temperature down just a little bit. And go ahead and fire the kettle back up. Also, I need to make sure that I time this, and so I want about 15 minutes of steep time here. So my heat is back on, and I'm going to try to get that up to about 150 degrees again and just hold it there. This is a short steep on the extract brewing versus some of the other methods that we use. Some of the other ways you'll do 45 minutes or even up to an hour of steep time, trying to control that temperature during that period of time. So 15 minutes of steep, and so that's what we're going to control right now. Pretty much does it for this section, and we'll get back with you here in a sec.